Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. So this one has a couple quick thumb screws that allow you to take off the side panel. It just pulls right off here. Okay, there we go. So now we're going to want to ground ourselves to the chassis, just touching the inside metal portion of the chassis before we touch anything. And this one I'm replacing the hard drive. It'd be nice to get some light on this. So take a look inside. Here's the RAM. Here's the fan. The RAM is up here, these 4 strips right there. It's the motherboard. Yeah, it's been a good computer until this deal. Looks like it has a lot of room for adding on if wanted to. Plenty of room for. It's got a secondary hard drive. Oh, it's pretty dusty in there. Probably not the best way to clean it out. You should really use a special air deal or cans of compressed air. That way you don't wind up blowing moisture in there. I'll try to put a link in the description below. Right, here's our hard drive right here. This little one, SATA drive, that's what fails. This one had a Kingston hard drive. It's got the power supply right here. It's got a little lever that you just push to pull that out, and then the SATA cable. And the SATA cable just pulls right out. Everything's just crazy dusty. In here on this deal. Nice computer, but I just haven't got into it a whole lot. As far as looks like this deal, the front would come off. Yeah, if I just kind of squeeze these and pull the front off, and I may be able to do the same on the other side. So let's take a look at that. A little easier logistics. And that may be easier to service. Oh, I just pulled it out. Okay. That'll be a little easier, maybe. Oh, it's got an extra fan on the front. Allow me to clean this out. Probably should clean this. It's like a little screen once in a while. And last is the front piece, which just pushes into place, real simple. But this definitely needs to be cleaned out. So it's really bad in here. All these filters. Again, probably why my hard drive went out. Darn thing couldn't breathe. You can see what's happening as I start to pick these up. So this has these little deals that hold it in place that you can bend out to remove it. Then you can remove the filter, clean it off, put it back after, and then just push the tabs back down. Flat blade screwdriver probably work a little better, but oh my gosh, I need to vacuum all this. So this at the least needed to be done. Do all the rest, deeper cleaning another time, but gotta at least clean this out. Definitely not able to breathe. Top one's not as much, doesn't pull as much air through because the bottom one has the fan right in front of it. So that'll work. The top two can kind of be like spares, kind of good. This is kind of the filter. I'll need to vacuum here after I'm done. Just gonna clean it off. Probably not the best way to do this, but it'll work. All right. All cleaned. Again, long overdue, and possibly the reason things failed. Okay. So now I'll slip this back in under. I have to lift it up a little bit. And there we go. And then we can squeeze the tabs back down. Okay. Definitely a couple ways to do this here. There we go. There we go. So we've got those all in, and cleaner. Not perfect, but better than it was. Okay. And now I know that this just pulls out pretty easily, so make sure I can clean this off more often, clean it better. And we just press it into place. It's a done deal. Alright. Yeah, definitely needs a deeper clean, but again, that's a different story. Now ready to hook it back up and get it going. So for this, I'll need to get some compressed air, or there's a special cleaner, like an electronic compressed air blaster. It's an electric high pressure air duster that they sell. So either way, but I need to definitely go deeper on this, and this is something that probably should do every time the time settings change, every 6 months, or at the least every year. But could have prevented probably the hard drive failing because I think it couldn't breathe as it just couldn't get past that collection on the filter screen. So definitely need to clean this out more often, and that'll be the practice going forward. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out. This one's part of a longer video showing replacing the actual hard drive. But now I'm back up and running, hard drive replaced, but I get struck with the flu really bad, so I'm just on the tail end of that. So hopefully that'll be done and behind me real soon, as it was a bad one. Anyway, thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out. I'll put links in the descriptions for the air cans to blow things out and to clean things out, and cleaner for keeping the computer clean. Keep your computer working longer. All right. Thanks for watching. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are. You should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.